Welcome to our tutorial about the catch-when syntax. In this tutorial, we're going to look into more complex try-catch error handling. In our form, we've got a button, Test Drive A, and a picture box. Let's double-click to get to our code. Here's a line of code that loads an image into the picture box. We're using the FromFile method. This method is a member of the image class and is also a member of System Drawing. Here we have a path to our image file. If you don't have a floppy drive, you can just put it on your CD-ROM and load it from your CD-ROM, or simply on your C drive and load it from there. Okay, let's see how this program works. When I click Test Drive A, the image loads. Let's close our program. Next, let's uncomment this block of code, and then we'll run our program again. Now, if I take the diskette out, I get a message asking me to please insert a diskette in Drive A. But we don't know what kind of program we're dealing with if we don't have the diskette in Drive A. Or maybe we're simply missing the files, or they're corrupted, and so on. There's a specific type of error here that we want to catch, so let's use the message box object to help us out. I'm going to type ERR period, number, space, ampersand, space, open and close quotation, ampersand, ERR.description. And let's close the parenthesis. Now let's comment out this message box. Now the error object will help us identify the error number and the error description. Let's run our program again. When I click Test Drive A, we get the error message in our message box, error number 53, and the path to our file wasn't found. Let's click OK. Next, let's go ahead and change the file name. We'll right-click and rename it. Let's name it Image2, for example. What I'll do now is right-click, New text document, and I'm going to call it image.jpg. Do I want to change the file name? Yes. If you don't see the file extension, go to the Folder Options, View, and uncheck Hide Extensions for known file types. Let's cancel for now. Basically, what's happening here, we've created a file, image, and given it a JPEG extension. Let's run our program again. See what happens. We click Test Drive A. This time we get message number 7, out of memory. OK. Now let's see how we can write a catch statement to catch the specific error. Catch when error dot number equals 7. Let's create a message box for it. MSG box, open parenthesis. The file you are trying to open is not an image file. And then we'll close our quotations, close the parenthesis, and hard return. Next line, catch. Fix that syntax error. There we go. When error.number equals 53. Next line, let's put in a message box. MSG box, open parenthesis, open quotation, please insert diskette, in drive A. And we'll close our quotations and parentheses. Now let's run the program again. First, we've got the message. The file we're trying to open is not an image file. Now let's remove the diskette. We'll click OK and click Test Drive A again. Our next error message, please insert diskette in drive A. Close our program. The final catch statement will handle all other runtime errors. And this concludes our tutorial about using catch-when syntax when using the try-catch error handling structure.